Okay, so we're diving deep into Froge.
Froge.
Yeah, you know the meme coin.
Right, right.
But here's the thing.
What?
It's got these ties to OpenAI.
Really?
Yeah, it's wild. We got this press release about it, and the connection is just crazy.
Huh. That is interesting how a meme coin,
Yeah.
something that kind of starts as a joke online,
Right.
can end up like right there with like a huge tech company.
Exactly. And OpenAI just finished this massive live stream event,
Oh, yeah.
the hashtag OpenAI 12 days,
Mm-hmm.
all over the tech world. And guess what?
What, Troy?
FROGE pops up.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, you saw those Easter eggs they put in the live stream,
Oh,
right?
yeah, they were all over the place.
Not just like a quick mention, they really put it in there.
Yeah, they did. It was woven in.
It's more than just like a fun thing, though.
Right.
The press release says Froge's market value
Hmm.
like went through the roof.
Really?
Record-breaking highs just a day after the live stream started.
Yeah, I saw that price jump. Do you think OpenAI's audience like already knew about Froge or was it just the way they presented it that got people interested?
That's a great question.
Yeah.
It really makes you think about how influential OpenAI is,
Right.
even in these totally unexpected areas,
Yeah,
like
yeah.
meme coins.
For sure.
But this isn't even the first time Froge has shown up with...
OpenAI.
Remember that article
But-
from last year with the picture of one of the OpenAI founders' laptops?
Oh, yeah.
Or Froge was on it.
Oh, wow. So
It's like there's this weird connection.
yeah, under the surface.
Mm-hmm.
And the thing is, this isn't just any meme.
Yeah,
Froge has like an actual ecosystem.
it does. The press release goes into Frogeswap.
Okay.
It's their decentralized exchange.
Hmm.
They're really focused on making it user-friendly,
Right.
which makes sense for a project that probably gets a lot of new people into crypto.
Yeah, that's true.
Think about your own experiences with decentralized exchanges.
Yeah.
What's most important to you when it comes to making them easy to use?
Well, I think
Yeah.
definitely just like the interface being clean and easy to navigate,
Right.
not too cluttered,
Yeah.
just straightforward.
Mm-hmm.
Because I think sometimes they can be intimidating for new people.
Totally. And the easier it is to use, the more people can get involved.
Exactly.
But FROG isn't just about trading.
Right.
They've got that mobile game that's already out,
Oh, yeah.
and it's actually popular.
Is it?
People are playing it.
Oh, that's cool.
It shows they're trying to make a fun experience,
Yeah.
which could be key to building a strong community.
Absolutely.
And speaking of building,
Yeah.
they're not stopping there.
Oh, really?
They're working on a crypto wallet
Okay.
for the FROG ecosystem.
Uh-huh.
And get this,
What?
a Telegram mini app.
Whoa, they're creating a whole suite of tools.
Right.
Yeah. What do you think about that Telegram integration? Seems like they're thinking about reaching a ton of people.
Yeah, it makes you wonder if they're going after Telegram's huge user base, especially in places where crypto is really growing.
Right.
It's smart considering how popular Telegram is in the crypto community.
Absolutely. But here's something else.
Yeah.
Their NFT project,
Oh, yeah.
totally sold out.
They definitely have a dedicated community.
That's true.
People are willing to invest.
What do you think that says about the project?
Hmm.
I mean, it seems like there's something there.
Yeah, it feels like they're building on that meme origin, making something more substantial.
It's like they're trying to redefine meme coins.
Totally. And this ties into a bigger trend.
What's that?
This whole rise of community-driven projects in crypto.
Charting a community is everything.
It is. And we keep seeing how much a community can do
For sure.
for a project.
Yeah, like their energy,
Yeah,
their passion, it's a real driving force.
totally. And FROGE gets that.
They do.
They've built this feeling of belonging, like you're part of something,
Yeah.
which is really powerful.
Especially with how crazy crypto can be.
Yeah, think about Froge's audience. It's a meme coin.
Right.
So it's going to attract people who are online, a lot younger people.
Right.
What do you think it is about Froge that works for them?
I think it's that they speak the same language.
Yeah,
You know?
right.
They get the internet humor, the memes.
Mm-hmm.
They're already in these online communities.
Right, they're ready for this kind of thing.
Exactly.
Right.
And it's not just building the tech.
Yeah,
It's like they're creating a cultural movement.
that's a good point.
And that's what I think is so brilliant.
Yeah,
It's blockchain, but it's also culturally relevant.
right. We haven't seen that much before.
No, we haven't. And that's why Froge's doing so well.
I think you're right. And becoming like the unofficial mascot for OpenAI's live stream, that's huge.
It's almost symbolic.
Yeah.
This like collision of AI and meme culture.
Yeah.
Like no one saw that coming.
Totally.
What do you think that says about Tech and culture.
Oh, man, that's a big question.
Yeah, it is.
It's definitely a sign of the times.
For sure.
Makes you wonder, what's next for Froggy?
Yeah, where do they go from here?
Right? I don't know. It's hard to say, but they're definitely onto something.
Yeah, they are. It's like they've shown that meme coins aren't just a fad.
Right.
They can like evolve and change
Yeah.
and become something really new.
That's a good lesson for other crypto projects.
Yeah, I think so.
It's not enough to just be funny or trendy.
Right.
You got to have more.
Yeah, you need like a real vision.
Yeah.
You got to connect with people.
A community.
Yeah. On a deeper level.
Exactly. And Froggy seems to have figured that out.
Yeah, this whole deep dive has been pretty amazing.
It has. We've seen how a meme coin can go from a joke to like a real player in tech.
Yeah, practically overnight.
And we talked about the power of community, the need for utility,
right,
and how meme coins can be more than just an image.
Yeah, they can be more than just the meme.
So can other meme coins do what Froge did?
That's the question, isn't it?
It is. Can they tap into those communities and cultural moments?
Yeah. Is this like a roadmap for other coins?
Or is there something special about Froge?
Right. Like, is it just this AI and meme culture thing?
Yeah, it's really interesting to think about.
It is. And it's something we'll all be watching.
As this whole crypto world keeps changing.
Absolutely, because who knows what's going to happen next?
That's what makes it so exciting.
Exactly. It's unpredictable.
So as we wrap up this deep dive,
yeah,
we'll leave you with that question.
Okay.
We've seen how a meme coin can become something much bigger.
Uh-huh.
And it happened so fast.
Yeah, it did.
It just shows that crypto is always changing.
Always.
Surprising us with these crazy twists and turns.
And that's what makes it so interesting.
It does. It really does. It's crazy, right? Like, where do they even go from here?
Yeah, it's tough to say, but Froggy is definitely like leading the way with this whole thing. It shows that meme coins can be more than just a quick trend.
Right.
They can actually grow and change and become something innovative.
That's a big takeaway for other projects.
I think so, too.
Yeah.
You can't just be funny
right.
or cool for a minute. You need substance.
Yeah, you need a plan.
Right. And you got to connect with your community.
Exactly like Froge has.
Yeah, they've done a good job with that.
Yeah.
This deep dive has been really interesting.
It has. We've seen how a meme coin can go from like nothing to being a part of the tech world.
Yeah, and it happened fast.
Super fast.
Yeah.
And we talked about the importance of community.
Right.
Having real uses for the coin.
Yeah, the utility.
And now meme coins can actually be something more.
Exactly. It's not just about the meme anymore.
So the question is, can other meme coins do this?
That's what you got to figure out.
Yeah.
Can they do what Froge did?
Can they find those communities and those moments?
Yeah, is Froge the model now for meme coins?
Or is there something about Froge that's just unique?
Like, is it just this AI meme culture mashup?
It's really fascinating to think about.
It is. It really is. And it's something we're all going to be watching.
As crypto keeps changing and evolving.
Because you never know what's going to happen next.
It's what makes it so fun to follow.
For sure. It's unpredictable and exciting.
Well, that wraps up our deep dive into Froge.
It was a wild ride.
We saw how a meme coin can become something much bigger almost overnight.
Yeah, it was pretty amazing.
It just shows that crypto is full of surprises.
Always keeps you guessing.
And that's what we love about it.
It's a crazy world, but it's definitely an interesting one.
Thanks for joining us for this deep dive.
Yeah, thanks for having me.
Until next time, keep exploring the world of crypto.
And keep an eye on Froge.